Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thanks for being here, learning German with me. You will see that learning German is not so hard. You can do it just by reading mangas and comics with me. I explain everything, vocabulary, grammar, patterns, anything that is popping up in the manga, yeah, naturally. And then you will see that step by step you will understand more and more. Don't forget to like, subscribe, leave a comment, a question, a feedback, anything you want. I really appreciate it. To help the channel grow a little bit, it's a lot of work. This YouTube channel teaches you German in a consecutive way. This means one video after another is building up. This is something that's not happening often on YouTube. To be honest, I have never seen another channel like this. So I really hope you like the concept, the idea, and if so, you can let me know. The video is one day later than usual. Maybe you can hear it in my voice. I'm a little bit sick. Yeah, not so energetic as usual, but we will do the best and read together. Okay, so last time we had some workers here. I don't know what kind of workers, maybe with a transportation company or whatever. And they said that the job is annoying and so on. Let's go to the left side. Lass uns was trinken gehen, sobald du fertig bist. That's a nice sentence, also really casual. And we check out the verbs. Lass, to let, trinken, to drink, gehen, to go. So 3 verbs in one little sentence. And of course, sein. Let us go drink something. So lassen and a verb in infinitive is let us go, let us work, let me do it, and so on. Yeah. So let us go drink something. Sobald. Sobald means as soon or when, if you want to say it more easy. As soon as you are done, ready. Fertig is an adjective. It means something is finished, is done, is ready. Let us have a drink when you're finished, would be the English translation. Next one. Klingt gut. Das kann ich echt gebrauchen. Klingen, without context, to sound a certain way. Yeah, klingen. And können, to be able or to can. Gebrauchen means to need something. Or it can also mean to utilize something, to use something. But in this case, he wants to say, sounds good, klingt gut. I can really, echt, in this case it's an adverb, really, need that. That is here, das, and our subject, ich. Okay, let's go to the next page to see what they say. So he's like, Arissa, sieh mir zu. Zusehen is a separable verb. If you're not familiar with grammar, check out my A1, A2 grammar course. Yeah, they're completed and they are really giving you everything you need for grammar knowledge, A1, A2. So, zusehen is a separable verb, to watch something or somebody, and it needs a dative object. Sieh mir zu is also imperative. It's giving an order. Look at me. Watch me. Sieh mir zu. Let's go to the next page. Sieh dir meinen Sieg an. Now we have the same verb, ansehen, zusehen, ansehen, it's all the same, to watch, observe, look. Here we have it again, ansehen, a separable one. We have a dative object, sieh dir, dative object. And then we also have accusative, meinen Sieg. So we have a second object in accusative. Let's say it like this, AO, accusative object. My mouse is acting up. I'm getting a new one, but it takes some days. Sieg is male. Der Sieg means the victory. And of course, in total, he wants to say, observe my victory. Sieh dir meinen Sieg an. And of course, it's imperative again, giving an order. Don't be afraid of Daddy Does, just write your vocabulary in our notebook and learn them correct from the beginning. Link is in the description below. Thanks for supporting us. And then some stuff is happening, we don't know exactly what, but we will see in a second. Okay, let's see. Hat's geschafft. Here we have a apostrophe, we would say, yeah, and then the S. This is the short version for S. Hat es geschafft. He did it. Schaffen means to achieve, to do something successfully, yeah. And we have it here in perfect tense. Hat geschafft. So he did it. Next one. Hat ihn erwischt. Again, perfect tense. So we have the hat. And then erwischt in Partizip 2. Erwischen can mean to catch something or somebody. So he got him. He got him would be also use language in English. And as you can see, it needs accusative. Ihn is a typical accusative personal pronoun, yeah? He got him. But it seems he left again. So let's read. Nein, Moment. Ist schon wieder ausgewichen. No. One moment. Moment. A moment without context is male. Der Moment. But we can also say it without article. Moment. Hold on. Hold on a second. Ausweichen means to maneuver, like to not escape, but to duck. Yeah, to duck. And perfect tense. He ducked again, once more, schon wieder, once again. Okay, and they continue, obviously. Let's go to the right side. Du kleiner du hast keine Chance. So, verbs first, like almost always. The first one doesn't have it because it's not a whole sentence. But then we have haben, to have. Die Chance is the chance. It's female. Die Chance. You little, whatever. Klein, adjective in front of a noun gets also conjugated, as you know. Yeah, you little, whatever. You have no chance. Die Chance. You have no chance. And the next one. Heute wirst du, unalive. But we don't want to say it. But what we can say here is that we have a nice future tense with werden, future one. Werden and a verb in infinitive. The verb we will not say at the moment, but this is what it means. Today you will, J. Oh, wow, but some stuff is happening here. Doesn't look too good. Let's go to the next page. So I guess Koji has a little accident, or of course it's not only an accident, he's doing his fight. And we will go to the next page. Uh-oh, I hope he's okay. Everybody's like Koji and running to him. I mean, it is very sad, of course. I mean, I censored some stuff here. But I mean, if you do illegal running with motorcycles and stuff, I mean, why is everybody so surprised? I mean, sooner or later, yeah. Okay, let's see. Idiot. Wie kann man einen Truck übersehen? For dramatic reasons, the verb is cut. We can see here übersehen. So again, we have the verb können, to be able or to can. Yeah, kann. And übersehen means to overlook or to not see. Yeah. Der Truck, the truck. So idiot, how can somebody, Mann is somebody, overlook a truck? And then everybody is shocked, yeah? And then we go to the next page to see what we can say at the end for our final sentence. Okay, I skipped some not pages, but some squares. And then, yeah, they find out, of course, what's happening. Not many people can, survive this kind of accident. So ist, you know what? He is a little heavy today. I hope you are okay and not too, I don't know, moved by this. It's fictional, of course, but still, it's sad. And then everybody looks at Jay, I guess, and he says, hat nichts gespürt. Not the best thing to say at the moment, but yeah, it's my opinion. Spüren means to feel. Spüren. Gespürt is the Partizip 2 because it says in the past tense, perfect tense. Nichts means nothing. So, of course, he wants to say he felt nothing. Hat nichts gespürt. This is it for today. I hope, as I said, that you liked this lesson, you learned something new. Of course, it's a little bit sad. As I told you, I didn't read the manga before. I read it with you together, like really live. And this is why I'm also a little surprised, a little sad, but we will see what happens next. Don't forget to like, subscribe, leave a question, a sentence. I correct everything when I see it. I answer German-related questions also. And you can also go to my other series. I have so many things for you here. You will learn German here, I promise, yeah? So check it out, and I will see you very soon. Bye!